I his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage and say sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going.
Kiss for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, don't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a great day, great night. Let's see here. Okay. Alright, so let's take a look at the daily time frame here and gold. Yeah, I want to take a look at a different chart here. This one. It's the same. All right. Okay, so we've got a daily support here, and I'm gonna have to name it. And we've got one more here, and we have a daily resistance there. Got one more here, and we got a resistance there. Alright, so previous daily candle low here. I mean high, not low. And we've got a previous daily candle low here. Take a look at the 1 hour here. So 1 hour we've got this supply here, and we have to name this also. And why is it like that? Oh, let's look at that. Enter. Okay. 1 hour is distance. Nice. 30 minutes. Got a supply here. Mic is that. Alrighty. 10 minutes. Well, I'm gonna change this to 1 hour. We got news coming up today. Like this 15 minutes minus support. Oh, yeah. We got news coming up, and we're gonna have to wait for the news.
Oh man, I was right. That would have tagged everybody in and straight to stop loss.
Yeah, would have. What's going on YouTube? Gold still has that bearish structure. This pretty much what we talked about during the London session. Where's the freaking brush tool again? Yeah. Okay, so pretty much, so since we created this high at 26.27, right, we came down. Now pay attention, we came down. Now this low created this high, which is obviously a lower high. We came down, created this low. Now this high failed to create a lower low because it failed to close below its own low. All right, we went up. This high, all right, eventually created this high right here. And this high to the left is higher than this high. That means we still have that lower high structure still going on. Now we've not been able to create a lower low just yet, because in order for us to create for this high to create a lower low, we still need to break and close below 25.89. So we have another lower high here. Price now created a low. All we've been creating is minor lows. We've not been able to create a major low because we've not closed below 25.89 just yet. So now this low created a high right now. So the bears are still in control right here. Looking at gold between 26.27 and 25.89, the bears are still in control. Because if you really look at this, you'll notice that when we're talking about the structure now, so if we look at, let me move this up. So if we look at the bears, this is what we're gonna look like. And if we're pushing up, we got this. Okay, now on the buy side, all we've been able to create is lows. We've not been able to create higher highs. Meanwhile, since we are still bearish, you have both. You have both lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. You have that. But on the bull side, you only have lows being created. So the structure is not complete yet until we start breaking highs. That is why the bears are still in control. Until the bulls start breaking highs, then we can say, okay, now the bears are in this, so it's time to look for buys. Until then, the bears are still in control. Therefore, we got to look for sales. Now, when the news happens, that might change things. But for now, I'm bearish on gold.
You made that so simple, man. That's such a good explanation. Thank you, man.
I made it simple.
Yeah, that sounded so clear and simple. That's brilliant.
How was Asian and London session? Asian session wasn't good. London session, we didn't take any trades. So this week, even though we had a very good week last week, but this week so far, it's not been looking good. We've had 3 back-to-back losses. It's part of the game. He was able to recover loss yesterday through Asian session buys. Oh, you must have caught these buys then. Good job. You could only grab a small portion of those buys. That's okay. At least you made something. If gold can break and close below 26.01, right? If we can break and close below 26.01, we should continue to the downside, and then so we got this, so we could get pullback, and then we can look to take the sell, because if we can break this 15-minute minus support at 26.01, I mean, where should gold get to? Should get to this low and this low here. Of course, 25.89, and that is the previous daily candle low. It's also the major low in this range between 26.27 and 25.89, because that's obviously the low that created this minor high at around 26.16. So if we can break 26.01, then of course we should at least head down towards 25.92 and then 25.89. But if we break just 26.17, nah, still no buys. No buys until we break and close above 26.27. You're welcome. So nice to hear that it wasn't completely wrong with your earlier sell at 26.11. 26.11. Where did you take the sell? You took it pre-London? Oh, pre-London, okay. Move TP to 26.06.
Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. You extra too, I socialize with some extra too. X and O's, trying to stay on my P's and Q's. Need my boo, when I get lost, you gon' see me through. Pedestal, I put you on a pedestal. Edible, I need you like my vegetables. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you can stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Money come and go, yeah, go and come. I hope you can stay. Don't you run away, just don't run away. Next to you, only wake up if I'm next to you. Sexy too, make me wanna get sexual. My bestie too, yeah, my bestie boo. Test me too, but I love when you test me too. Tough on the back, most not good to go. Oh for sure, you my number one, then my number one. You the go, love it when I'm here, but miss you on the road. Oh you know, hate it when I leave. You know I'll be on. My pocket's fatter, my pocket's fatter. It don't really matter, it don't really matter. My pocket's tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, I'ma gon' count me in. Now I got something to spend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great. Give my baby little more just to spend it.
Man, we got 21 minutes to this news. Oh, gotta change this time, it's not correct. There we go.
They tried to count me out, I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend.
The music is playing.
I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account, now I got something to spend. My bank account, now I got something. Did it, do it. I did it all, no gimmicks. I did it all, no fibbing. Now I got all these children. Now I got all these clones. Now I got all you twinning. Now I got all you thinking like all you thinking like all you in it. They tried to count me out. They tried to fill that doubt. They tried to ride my wave. They tried to knock me out. They tried to count my wins. They tried to show my L's. They tried to make me in. They tried, but where they now? Where they? Step in the spot and they stare at me. All of these battles will bear me. I swear that nothing compares to me. Feeling blessed. I won't stress. Beat the odds. You know the rest. They tried to count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend. They tried to count me out. I'ma gon' count me in. Fill up my bank account. Now I got something to spend. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends.
And that is
I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers, but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just gotta text a wire hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how
My
designer
bias for CPI, man, I don't know. I think gold is gonna keep dropping. I think it's gonna keep dropping. When it comes to fundamentals, I'm not good with fundamentals. It's not my area of expertise. Now, technicals, I can do my best. Fundamentals, not my area of expertise. Below this bullish candle would have been a good place to sell in anticipation of this 1 hour bottom wick fill. But we got news. In the meantime, I'm going to mark out US30 here. Let's take a look at this on a daily. That's a resistance. Just the weekend low high. Just the weekend low. What? Oh, yeah. Let me actually put a text here. On our supply. Yeah. Supply here. One more supply here. Still looking for sales on US30 until it starts breaking highs. Zoom, you guys are quiet today. What's going on?
Quiet. Oh, but yeah, I did notice that since you're using this Axe Trader, yeah, you can't actually have multiple tabs to do your charts, and then you have to keep switching the symbols.
Yeah.
So maybe it's like
It's
better to use.
probably I'm gonna have to open multiple tabs. You know, like if you're using a TradingView website,
Oh yeah.
you gotta have multiple tabs. It's gonna be the same thing with this.
The other thing you could do is like just use TradingView, but then when you're in the trade, you can switch over to the trade, the Axe Trader.
Hmm. I might miss the entry. 10 more minutes. Let me see. You tap to do. Oh no. Open the window. Oh yeah.
Oh, you want to duplicate, right?
Yep, exactly.
Oh, looks like Powell's doing a speech tomorrow. That'll be big.
Huh?
Jerome Powell is doing a speech tomorrow.
Oh.
They talk about their plans now that Trump's in the White House.
Okay, see, now we're good. Hey Gideon, the power of taking one trade in a day and one-to-one set and forget the ETP or SL down for the day until tomorrow. Yeah, it's not bad. Less stress.
Don't watch the trade, just walk away and just come back later, see the results.
Yeah. You get it, fine. You don't, then it is what it is. If I'm to pick, like, okay, if I'm to make a decision and be like, you know what, I'm only going to trade one session, it's going to be New York. All day, every day. Because, man, London session, nothing to write home about. And you know, most of the time you're gonna get that 1-to-1 during New York. We got 5 more minutes. Recently, only New York session been giving something, man. But I have a feeling that because now Trump is the president, I feel like January next year, like before the end of January, London session should go back to what it used to be. And what it used to be then used to be low volatility and high volume.
I'll believe it when I see it.
You believe me when you see it. Yeah, when Trump was the president last time, that's how he was.
Yeah, but we did talk about it before, like how London session changed after the whole BRICS thing.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Trump ain't gonna change BRICS, so you know.
It might not change with GBP pace, but it's gonna change for gold. GG still moves though in London. I mean, shit, I ain't looked at that pair in a freaking while. Cute a bit would know. Cute a bit was what has been going on with GJ. Oh, he's not here yet. You think the news is gonna be neutral? I mean, that's a possibility, but I think we're just gonna continue to fall. And even if we go up with the news, I don't see us breaking above 26, 27. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh.
Now I will say, for Asian session, even if we had drawn up that supply, we would have gotten stopped out.
I looked at it, and I don't know. You're probably right. We probably would have, got in here.
Yeah. then it would have taken us down.
Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, we would have gotten in. Probably would have had entry here.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not. Let's see the stop loss that I possibly would have used. It would have gotten in here. So, oh, news. No, we would have used 80. Well,
Maybe.
maybe.
Might have used 70.
MC 70. Nah, I don't think I would have used 70. It's too close. It's too. Wait. Yeah, it's too close. We would have used 80. I think.
I think gold's going up with the news.
Yeah, you say that now.
Oh, look at that.
Why didn't you say anything before it started pushing up?
I was analyzing.
Focused on me and you. I know when the love is real, but also when the love is gone. Hit me out on how you feel. Tell me now what's going on. Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another bar, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottom. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless.
You were steady flying too? Oh.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless.
I was there so low volume. Gold and EU. I don't know. So if this candle closes like this with this long top wick, I'm gonna need to see another bullish candle closure or two bullish candle closure, however many. Tap this 1 hour supply and reject, and then we can look for sales from there. But for now, we keep waiting. Candle still has 9 minutes to close.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets on the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot, hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate, this is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Been poppin', Sports Center from a little I was watching. Spin a bag like I'm Rafa, call that top spin. How could I not win? This is top 10. From the bottom, got a sniffer out of top wins. I sit back, reflect, and do it again. Hardest milli is the first, now we got 10. Talking 10, 10, 10, 10 times 10 and again. I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm all in, been ballin'. Yeah, I'm all in, yeah, I'm all in.
For now, we chill, yeah.
I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds, yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. Care about relevance. I'm doing me. I'm in my element. We the new delegate. Tapping and see. I don't sit and worry about who's on. Back in my bag, this a new zone. Kettle on my wrist, it's a two-tone. Direct flight out to London. Then might slide out to Lisbon. Crossing borders, getting my stamps up. Travel light, everybody can come. Lay low, I don't want attention. Only show what you see. Never no cap in my rap. When I rap on the track, got me feeling like I'm in the league. Ease. I'm in my element. This is easy as a layup. I don't show if you don't pay up. Long nights had to stay up. Put in hours while you later. I can sit around and wait up. I'm gonna have to see you later. Giving tips like a waiter. Even tell them all you fade on. I'm in my element. Back in my element. I'm in my element. Back in my element.
We got 5 more minutes.
Okay. First in the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Putting hours in, I cash out. Game time been lit. Been the man, been him. In the box like 9-9. Got pinstripes on my skin. Okay, go mamba all in my zone. When the wind going home. Hear it all in my tone. Worked hard for this throne. You know I'm never lazy. Nothing phase me. See me win, but those L's made me. Hear him talk, let him talk. All the ghosts have been called crazy. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on.
BTC in the move to all-time high.
I can't let up. Keep my head up. I can't let up. You know I can't stay.
Oh, what's my markup on US30? US30 actually, I'm still anticipating this
See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, putting hours, got scars.
to read this previous daily.
Thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my family now. You've been chilling with a party, yeah. Putting reps cause they called my bluff. Got one shot to get all these dubs. And we on. Lights on. I'm on. Lights on. I'm on. Love the pressure. I can't let up. Keep my head up. I can't let up. Lights on. I'm on. Lights on. I'm on.
2 more minutes.
Love the pressure. I can't let up. Keep my head up. I can't let up.
Oh, what's the result of the news? It's actually neutral.
Yeah, I was fully expecting that move up.
You said what?
I was just saying, predicted that move up.
Good morning, Power Family.
The best.
The after effect.
The after. Fundamental after analysis.
Nope, that's not a good closure.
You guys can do a muscle lap over there.
That's not a good closure.
Thank you.
I think I'm in drawdown, man. Your fundamental analysis of buys, is it still in play? What's going on?
No, you should have got out literally straight after the news.
Thanks for telling me.
If you were in if you were in my Telegram, you would have received that information. Because we actually switched it to a sell after we hit take profit on the buy. So yeah,
Perfect.
yeah. I'll send you a link. My course is coming in December 24.
Man, that was funny.
God bless them. God bless Donvo.
Yeah, I'm gonna need go back up, reject this supply again. So Jake Paul and Tyson fight is on Friday, 7 p.m. my time. If you have Netflix, It's probably gonna let you know the time. I'm not missing that match for nothing. Jake Paul is getting his face bashed in. Man, thank you, Zangief. But wow, seem to think otherwise.
I will say, since hearing Pi said he lost to a semi, you know, semi-pro boxer, has me questioning things a bit.
I don't think they're flopping about here. Yeah. 50, 8, yeah.
I say we'll keep Jake Paul in 2 rounds. Man, I believe it. But they might want to make the match last longer than that. It's either that or they're gonna start late. Because they want the stadium to be packed. Because Tyson might finish him off in the first round.
Yeah. And I think the only way Jake Paul can actually win if they allow it is if they allow the fight lasts very long. I don't think Tyson will have that stamina. That's the only way.
If they do that, man, probably not gonna watch it anymore.
Yeah. Just 2 rounds maximum.
I'll pretty much know what's gonna happen after the first round. It's like after the first round, well, once the second round starts, if Tyson's gassed out and all shit looking like he did the last time, then it's over for him. But if he's looking good still, then it's like, oh, okay.
You might not get that choice because it might be done in round 1. Yeah, but man, they're about to make a shit ton of money. If Netflix is involved, man, yeah, they're about to make shit ton of money.
Oh wait, Tyson's 58 years old? Yeah, nah, man. I'm still going with my choice. 58, damn. I thought he was just like 48. I was like, he's getting pretty old. 58, damn.
He's way
too old,
older
man.
than what's his name? Floyd Mayweather.
Yeah, you see, Kai, he understands. It's like 58. It's like ages. That's too much. That's too much. Man, 58. Oof. No. Damn, I don't even think I want to see that fight. That might be sad. Man, someone's just gonna have to tell me the results. If it's not like a brutal knockout. If Tyson gets brutally knocked out, I don't want to watch it.
On the daily? Whoa, you crazy, bro? He's not gonna lose.
Tell him,
Mullen's doing it for purpose. He's trolling, bro. But at the end of the day, that's his Mull for you. We gotta take it as it is. But I was asking about the daily candle. Do you have a no bottom wick on it, on your broker?
Oh,
There's a
Let
micro
me
wick.
see one here before I check it. There's a bottom wick on this, and let's see. Yeah, it's got a bottom wick.
Okay, might be my broker.
Even futures got a bottom wick.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. No knockout on the contract though. What?
Man, you gotta stop making stuff up, Rodrigo. Listen, you love Tyson, you love it, blah blah blah, but you gotta stop making up crap, man. Unless you have proof that that contract says you can't knock each other out, then you're just talking.
Yeah, they can't even
You're
do
forgetting
that.
it's a first round. Like, he has to be able to get through years of experience in a first round with a heavyweight Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson's not really heavyweight size anymore.
He was never heavyweight size, but he had heavyweight power.
Note how you said he had. Yes, he had it when he was in his 20s, 30s. But then you get to your 40s, you lose a lot of your athletic abilities. When you're in 50s, no one's a professional athlete in their 50s for a reason.
Do you know that?
Even in your 40s, no one's professional anymore.
Do you know that there are some people? There are some people. Let's say a dude is 50 years old. A 50-year-old dude could actually have more energy than a 30-year-old.
Exactly, that's one. And two, Wall reminds me of the guy that goes to the pickup game, sees Michael Jordan, and goes, "Yeah, I could take."
Come on, don't be stupid. Did I ever say that?
No, but what I'm
put
saying
bullshit
is
words in my mouth.
Oh, once I say Michael Jordan, the book stops there, right?
What?
At this point, I can't wait for the day after this fight. I can't wait for the stream after this fight.
And also,
I just don't think that Wall
you guys are
understands,
getting
like
so crazy about it because if Mike Tyson wins, I'm not going to be upset or anything. If Jake Paul wins, I'm not going to be upset or anything. I don't really care who wins. I'm just giving my opinion based on facts, biological facts. You don't have professional athletes in their 40s for a reason because they just can't compete anymore.
You're right, but Jake Paul is not a professional in the right that he's competed to the likes of all boxers. That's the point. That's the point we're making.
Except for
I know that.
Except for LeBron James.
How old is he?
Except for who? Oh, he's in his 40s, competing at almost the same level as a lot of young guys, rookies.
Yeah, it's pretty much 40.
Wow.
40, I think.
Damn, that's
he's
impressive.
41, I think. Or I think.
He's 41. No.
Yeah, but
he's just about to be 40. We actually the same age.
Oh shit. Okay. I thought he was 41. But yeah, but the same thing with Bernard Hopkins. Bernard Hopkins.
No. Yeah, he's 1 year older than me. He's about to be 40 in December. Yeah, he's 1 year older than me.
But Bernard Hopkins was competing at 40, and he was having title defenses in boxing. So that's why you can't really say that, because boxing is different. It's not like most sports. Boxing is about technique. That's the only reason why there's a slight argument that it's just going to be easy for Jake Paul.
No, it's not just about technique. It's about technique. Yeah, it's also about your footwork, your feet, your legs.
Yeah, but technique
your
legs,
that's
part of technique.
And of course,
that's technique.
That's technique. Because think about Roy Jones, right? That's the argument about Roy Jones. Roy Jones was athletic, but he never developed technique until he started getting his ass whooped. Compared to Bernard Hopkins, Bernard Hopkins had technique, and that's why he was so good having all those title defenses even in his old age. So for Tyson, somebody like that got technique, first of all, most professional boxers of that elite level, they still have technique. That's why Jake Paul hasn't fought an elite boxer. He fought amateurs. He fought like semi-pros, and then and even when he went against the semi-pro, like what's the name? What was that Fury's brother? I think.
Who?
Didn't he fight like Fury's brother?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about yesterday. Tommy Fury.
Yeah, when he fights a purebred boxer, yeah, he's definitely putting his guard up. He's doing a hard guard. He's not as flamboyant as he is when he's fighting like other non-conventional fighters. Now go against Mike Tyson. When he's gonna hit you with a body shot? Good lord.
Wild finally has a supporter.
Say that again?
You have a supporter. Herman says Jake is winning.
If he wins, then I know that it's like some kind of rig. At the end of the day, they're just playing. They're doing in boxing what they do in wrestling.
Yeah.
See, this is what I mean by people are so crazy with their emotions, because it's like, if he wins, it's rigged, but if Tyson wins, it's not rigged. It's like, what? You know, just stay stable with your, you know.
No, so this is the reason. It's actually because Jake Paul is not a professional boxer. Regardless of the age difference, is still fighting a professional boxer.
Yes, I agree. I do think that, you know, since... Go ahead.
No matter the age difference, I mean, of course it matters, but this is the point I'm trying to make. It's going to take a lot of, what am I looking for? A lot of chances for Jake Paul to knock Mike Tyson out. But for Mike Tyson, it's pretty much only going to take him just find that one chance. Just one.
He just needs one good body shot. One good one. I want to see a good body shot.
Jake Paul is going to need multiple because, you know, obviously of the technique Tyson has. So that's why.
Right. So I think the biggest thing is that Paul he's not professional, so obviously, you know, technique and all that stuff goes to Tyson. But, you know, I just think age is too much of a factor at 58.
How many rounds is it? How many rounds is it? Is it an exhibition?
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
18?
No, 8 2-minute rounds. 8.
Oh, 8.
2-minute rounds? Isn't it 3-minute rounds for boxing?
No, not in this fight.
Yeah, he's not gonna. So see, that's another thing too. You're forgetting. You're also going to. You're not going.
I'm not forgetting anything. I just don't know.
No. I'm just saying that. I'm saying you're like. We're not putting that notion to a point on the table, right? That 2-minute rounds favors Tyson. It takes away the youth of. It takes away the youth of Jake Paul. He's only that. First of all, Jake Paul, is he really going 3 rounds, 12 rounds against somebody? So he hasn't really, we haven't even seen those late round pedigrees from him.
Well, I will say, if it's 2-minute rounds, then that's probably helping Tyson due to more rest time. That's crazy. You fight for 2 minutes and you rest for 1 minute. That's fucking crazy.
But and it also means that Tyson will go a lot heavier in that 2 minutes.
Yeah, I know. Take it easy.
Yeah.
No, it's like I really don't care who wins. It's not going to affect my life.
We know you don't care, but it's just the fact that you're trying to troll us to make us feel like we're emotional about it more than you. That's like
You are emotional. Listen to yourself. Are you listening to yourself and you're telling me you're not emotional?
How could somebody be emotional by just pointing out rational thought or logic behind the two people? How's that being emotional?
Come on, buddy. I'm speaking very calmly, and you're like all over the place, just very,
I'm walking
whoa,
around.
like,
Oh,
you're emotional, man.
Because I'm walking around. All right, cool. I
the
guess.
tone in his voice. Okay, I see what you mean.
You see, even Abe knows. He knows.
No, I didn't. No, it makes sense though because of the tone of his voice for someone to assume that he is emotional. But also, technically, it really doesn't mean he is emotional. Maybe that's the way he talk, and he said he's walking.
Oh yeah, it could be.
And we still have champions at 71 years old, like Doyle Bronson.
Who?
Who's that?
Age is just a number. Yeah, it's a very good
Champion
poker,
at what?
poker
71.
Poker player.
I need to know who
Poker.
that is.
That's pure athlete right there.
Did he say poker player? What?
Yeah, poker it's also a game.
That's funny.
Oh, and everyone's like listing out these old people who are doing really well, but they're all in their like late 30s and like early 40s. It's like Tyson's late 50s. You guys, at least if you're gonna, be like, hey, there's actually a lot of athletic champions at 55, 58 years old, and you list them down. I'm like, oh shit.
Man.
Okay, we'll see what happens if gold is actually going to.
I'll be definitely thinking about Wall. Like the next session we have, like yo Wall.
No, I'm not even gonna wait. As soon as Tyson wins on Friday, man,
in the Discord,
man, I'm gonna let him have it.
See, like if Jake Paul wins, I wouldn't even message or care at all. But with these guys, they're like, oh my God, if Tyson wins, I'm gonna let him have it. I'm thinking about him tomorrow, and it's like, come on, man, you're emotional.
No. It's probably it's probably the competitive spirit in me. That's why.
But you have to remember too. Like I boxed, I think Abe boxed before, so we have a little bit more, I guess,
understanding
understanding for the science of boxing. So we're like, for us to see Jake Paul lose, that's like seeing Michael Jordan lose to, some guy who's like, who has like gimmick, off the street doing gimmick basketball, and then he got lucky.
Playing street basketball. Yeah, playing street basketball.
Exactly, yeah. And then like he made a name for himself by doing gimmick basketball and beating people in one-on-one. You're like, no, it's impossible. How is that possible? How he's beating these professionals like that? So for us, we're saying to ourselves, yeah, there's a possibility that he could lose, but
that's Rick.
Let's say hypothetically he doesn't. I mean, let's say hypothetically he does lose. We're going to be like shocked. That's like an upset. You don't expect it to happen, but you're like, wait, nah. And then you're trying to explain the upset. How did that happen? Because there's no way Mike Tyson is going to lose to a guy like Jake Paul, who hasn't fought any professional fighters,
Facts.
And that's what I mean. It's like, it's like, because it's Mike Tyson, that's why you guys are so, he's such a diehard fan that you're like, man, I can't possibly see him lose. But, I'm just being realistic because I've seen like MMA fighters retire, come back several years later, and they fight a low level guy and they get brutalized. And it's like, oh, I wish I didn't see that.
Oh no, I agree with you. Like for example, like seeing like Anderson Silva or some guys who were like ultimate untouchable champions. Shit, look at Roy Jones Jr. Remember, he got put out by like he got put out by people that you don't even know their names. Destroyed his legend, like his legend. But that comes with the territory. But I think in UFC, I think it's easier to lose to a lesser known champion because there's so many more variables in UFC than I think like with boxing.
Yeah, that is true because it's more physical. You could wrestle and throw guys around, bigger,
Correct.
stronger. Right? I
Correct.
do
And the
think
attention,
that
like
with the 2-minute rounds, that does give Tyson yet another edge in that fight. Yeah.
You can tell one is starting to get pissed off now in his room.
No, I'm actually not. You guys would know if I'm getting pissed off. The only time I've been pissed off is that time where fucking the YouTube was like fucking hating on me and shit. It kept going on and on about it. I'm like, motherfuckers. Oh yeah, they're going on about me cursing. It's like, hey, you can't speak like that. And it's like, man, I'll speak however I want, bitch.
Oh yeah, Pa Ngannou. Man, I think he got Ngannou. Wait, did he knock? I can't remember. Did he knock Ngannou out?
Who knocked in?
yeah, he got knocked out by Fury.
Yeah.
No, not Fury. No,
Ngannou got knocked out by
by the British guy.
yeah, the black guy, really big guy.
Oh,
the younger dude.
Oh yeah,
I forget his name.
I remember that one. Tyson Fury. I just don't
Anthony
remember.
Joshua. Anthony Joshua.
Yes, that guy.
Yeah, Anthony Joshua knocked him out, but he did knock down Fury. Arguably, he won that fight.
Yeah,
They
that
went to
was
the
what I was
decision.
gonna say. Like Ngannou should have won that fight.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I'm surprised that Ngannou got knocked out by the Anthony Joshua guy because Ngannou's got a hard head. But holy shit, he fucked him up, man. He knocked his ass out.
I was actually surprised that happened. I actually thought Ngannou was gonna win.
Oh.
You would think that against like Anthony Joshua because Joshua's have shown to have like issues with some decent heavyweights.
Yeah, man.
So for it to be like an easy match.
He's been having issues.
I think what it is that.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say simple. Like, I think when Fury didn't take Ngannou seriously, barely got out of that alive. I think Anthony Joshua was like, "Oh hell no, I'm not playing around with this guy," and that's why he came with all the tricks, everything. Because at the end of the day, Ngannou, nobody's gonna beat him in a UFC fight, right? But if you take the top most professionals, like taking a whole fight seriously, taking all the tricks and the tools of the trade, and they're taking you seriously, yeah, that's pretty much what happened to him.
I was just gonna say, Trade Monk said, "Do like Khabib Nurmagomedov and win against everybody and retire."
Isn't that the hard? I think the only reason why he's able to do that is because they fight. Their culture of fighting is totally different. They're like, I'm literally doing this for my family. I'm not doing this necessarily for the glory. People that fight for glory, when they're at the top, they still want to see if they have it, and so they lose, and then there's that rat race of.
Man, this dude is a freaking animal.
Yeah, you're not stopping. They wrestle bears over there. They're like, yo, you're 3 years old. All right, there's a bear outside. You need to go show me what you got.
I saw one of his fights. I'm like, oh my freaking god, this dude is insane.
There's this. Sorry, I don't know a lot about UFC, but there was this fight I was watching a few weeks ago, I think, where this guy grappled somebody's mouth and broke his jaw.
Oh yes.
Oh, that's like the other guy. No, that's the other guy that looks just like him.
Just like him. Looks just like Khabib.
Yes,
Yeah, they look
another
just alike.
Dagestani Russian.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all they do is
Chimaev.
believe in praying.
Yeah,
Yeah, they all they
that's
do
Hamzat
his
is believe
name.
Chimaev.
all they do
Yeah.
is believe in praying, taking care of their families, and fucking you up.
And
That's
bro,
it.
and did you see the reaction on his face? He has just one reaction. Whether he's winning or he's losing, his facials doesn't change.
The most dangerous
Tho-
people ever, because there's no glory if in they win, they lose. They're just doing it for
No
like,
emotion. No, I saw that fight. I was like, no, this guy's an animal. Like he grabbed him. That fight didn't last. It didn't last past the first round, I think.
like 1 minute long. And he broke
No.
it. Did you see the picture of the guy's mouth afterwards? It was horrendous.
Yeah, it was horrendous. Like his teeth pulled out, his jaw was messed up. Nah, that was brutal, man.
It's like his four front teeth was like his whole jawbone was
Yeah.
like cracked and shattered and backwards into his mouth by like fucking an inch. It was like, oh my lord.
Yeah, it was brutal, man.
yeah, man, that's crazy. Like, imagine how much force pressure you have to put on somebody that they can't even tap fast enough. You broke their jaw already.
Yeah. Do you know when he
Yeah, I've never
tapped?
seen
I was
it.
like, why is this guy tapping out? Like, because I was watching with a friend that watches UFC, and he's like, this guy is good. I'm like, it's how many minutes? Why is he tapping out? Then I saw the picture. I'm like, yo, he needed to tap out. That was bad.
Well, you know, no, but here's the thing: you got to think about it. When somebody puts a choke on you, if they put it on your chin and not on the neckline, you can still get out of it. But if the
We
way
can
he
take
probably
out the
had
break
it,
of the support.
I'm taking it at 2615.5.
I'm guessing
you're
that's
saying on
futures.
futures, right?
Yes, on futures.
No, okay.
Can you draw a line? Where will it be on Forex, please?
Yes. Hold on. It's going to be here.
Stop loss 100.
And, man, yeah, 100, man.
Yeah.
Well,
Target 50. Hamzat is Swedish? No way. I thought he was fucking Dagestani Russian. Badr Hari. Yeah, he was pretty good, but that guy, he's like gotten all the steroids. But then again, a lot of fighters and athletes are.
Olivia, what's up? What's up now? Hey, I'm alright too. Hot seat. But what's up now? What's happening? Yeah. I just like news just finished, so I'm trying to like get some.
Yazin said Lorenzo versus King Abe boxing match. Who will win?
Don't worry, it's like
Lorenzo is a
customized
kickboxer.
producer index. So it moves the market.
Lorenzo, a
So,
Muay Thai fighter?
yeah. What up now?
Yeah. Also, I don't think he's ever really, done it in any kind of competitive manner. So obviously, Abe would win a boxing match.
You just come here and see him. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah.
Plus, the way I watch Muay Thai, I feel like they don't have as much power in their punches the way boxers do. and because of the way that they stand.
Also, they're fucking training like all 8 limbs, right? They're training
Yeah,
kicks, knees,
exactly.
elbows, so
I don't know nothing about
Like if it's somebody like
Muay
if you
Thai.
learned boxing and then went to Butai, I think you'd have like an advantage because at any point you could turn your stance to be more power and then just torque your whole body and knock somebody out.
whenever boxers have fought Muay Thai or kickboxers, they always end up losing. They would have to learn how to, you know,
Well, you can't really say
they'd
that
have to
because
learn
if you remember,
kickboxing before they can actually do that.
yeah, because Anderson Silva, he learned boxing first, and that's why he was so dangerous because his head movement. Remember, one of the things that he was so dangerous is that he always fought with his hands down, right? So he could counter you like how Mayweather does. Well, he learned that from boxing first before going to the other sports.
No, I'm telling you, like when boxers have fought kickboxers, Anderson, he does it all. Like he even does jujitsu. He's submitted people, he's knocked people out with elbows, kicks, knees.
No, no, I agree with what you're saying. Meaning, because they always say when you boxing and you go to that sport, you always get your ass whooped because I think there's a fundamental part of like I forget what it is. Boxers always they don't. I think they don't expect a kick coming or something like that, or there's no lower defense.
I think it's also they've never really been kicked before because if you've been kicked before, it actually significantly hurts. Like I've been kicked with shin pads on, and man, it fucking hurts with shin pads on. So if I'm doing it like with training with somebody and they kick me with no shin pad, I can imagine that'd be fucking brutal. Trade Monk said Hamzat's from Chechnya, Russia, but he lived in Sweden. Yeah, he is Russian.
Oh man, Russians, they're very good fighters.
Yeah.
Even boxing.
Yo, there's
Imad
this dude, the
trading
best version. I don't know if you
versus
ever remember that
Floyd
guy, Ivan
Briscoe.
Drago.
Oh, wait, in the movie Rocky?
Yeah,
Hmm.
if he dies, he dies.
Gold broke the highs. Which highs? And
Oh,
we're still
he must
looking
mean
for
this one.
steps. Oh, that's a minor high, did he? Gold is still creating lows.
Remy Bonjasky. Yeah, he was impressive. The Flying Dutchman. Very athletic. Jesus Christ. Such a big dude. So athletic.
Honestly, above 26, 27, that's when I'll start looking for buys. Or down here if it rejects.
Most boxers are used to kicks. Man, why are you lying? Why are you lying? How can you say that?
Man, NYSC in 5 minutes.
Okay, here we go.
Bitcoin hit
Bitcoin hit all-time high.
Wow.
And
That means it's... Oh. Just gonna see.
man, this guy said, what would Abe's name be if he was a boxer? Man, he was a boxer.
Yeah, he just doesn't know.
I believe they called him, you know, like Mini Tyson.
My name will be Houdini because I will not appear on the fight.
It's almost at the all-time high. That's crazy. Let's see if the sellers are ready here.
If Bitcoin breaks potential buys, man, Bitcoin's been nothing but buys since it, you know, since what, like weeks ago or something?
Since Trump.
Yep, since Trump.
And here we was, and here we was thinking gold was actually gonna get to 3,000 this year.
Yeah, Trump spoiled the party. Oh, I was gonna say, man, guys, how crazy is it? How excited is the stream and everyone chatting away because of Tyson? Like, man, that guy, he's got some fans.
Of course,
Sorry, Pi, go ahead.
One minute and 30 seconds to NYSE open.
Pi, were you not gonna say something?
Maybe it wasn't.
Oh yeah, sorry. I was just gonna say. Remember when I said that gold would be at 3,000 by April? That was my early PFA trial and error.
I think what you meant to say was April 2025.
Yeah, I never said what year.
Exactly.
I never said which April. In my defense, that was after our like 95% win rate in March when every single buy was just a winner.
Oh, damn. Those were good times. Donvo friend lost 170K. Oh, are you talking about weeks?
When I checked the app close to this
Oh.
website, I found another little appointment.
170K
And
when?
immediately I booked it.
What that when? That's great. Wow.
Like now? Today? Or?
Wow, that's unfortunate. Just now.
That's a lot. Oh, shit.
Whoa, 170K in one day?
Must be one trade. That's a lot of money because he doesn't have the account size that Donvo had, so fuck. That's a lot.
Damn.
Oh my god, that means he must have been just stacking sells. He must have just been like selling it, just kept pineappling until finally just too much.
Maybe he saw the Sean videos.
The what?
The Nick videos. Adding closing
the Nick
trade.
shot.
Oh.
No volume from New York.
Oh,
I spoke too soon.
You know, if you trade Forex, wait for this Forex entry once we start crossing. If you trade futures, shit, as soon as you hear order field, you get in. Oh man. We can win 100 days and lose all in a day. And yep, it's possible if you're stupid enough.
Heard that here, boys. Abe just called Wix 9 stupid.
Really? Well, I didn't mention his name. I was only responding to what Yaslin said.
But seriously though, you guys should stay clear of that kind of trading style because of the lack of risk management, and they've proven themselves to be account blowers. So, you know, you don't want to trade like that.
Order filled.
As for futures, all right, I am in Forex. I am in Forex. Which one is? Oh.
This will be my next YouTube channel, blower account effects.
Oh shit! No!
What?
I made a mistake. This should be 1,000. Yeah. Confirm. Man.
Trophies, but no chains on the neck. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Singing like whoa, it's the weekend, we've been working. I'll be posted fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Yeah, limited edition, not the regular one. We shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bruh. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. And I'm singing like whoa.
And we just needed 20 pips to go from the first. Come on, baby.
Yes, we're already in. Man, you guys, you snooze, you lose, man. Man, you missed it? Man, how come so many people missed it?
What the hell? They missed it. How?
Yeah. So you guys had plenty of time to get ready for it.
Yeah, there was order filled, there was crossing of FX, there was Abe saying, "Oh shit." He had all the confirmation.
Minutes, Fed Logan's speech.
Oh, if 20 pips was all you were looking for, Teresa, I'd already gave it. Man, I'm surprised this freaking going back. Oh, you jumped in late.
Oh, nice. There we go. Get it, sellers.
Nice that we retested with the 5-minute candle the entry. Now we can go to TP2.
We just need that load to be taken out. This
It's like that little trend line of justice from the buyers that's holding us up.
So we have this outer trend line, and we got this inner trend line. But since we're bearish, it should be good for this thing to freaking come down. No top wick on the last 3 5-minute candles. Yeah, on futures, yeah, this candle does not have a top wick. Even on Forex. Is the Eastern funding and Axe to the good and how are the rules? Everything is on their website, or take a look at their Discord.
Oh, Axe is instant funding.
Yeah, they have instant funding.
And I think they're the best instant funding.
Oh, okay.
It's nice. Yeah, you have 6% drawdown. For $300, you get 600. Great, nice.
Yeah, Kidabit, you know, Pi only holds for 50% at least though in New York. London, he
Pi still in?
He gets his 20 and he's done.
Yeah, that's why we struggle to go up, because Pi is in. Yeah, we will see the bounce.
I got my 50. Oh, damn. Still hasn't.
Order filled.
Alright,
There we go.
there's some futures. Alright, 50 pips smashed on
There you go.
Forex. My move stops to entry here. That's a little bit below price. 26 to 922. I'm gonna put it there. Alright. Spam W's in the chat if you took this trade, guys. Appreciate you guys.
No sleep, I just toss and turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my fam and them. You've been chilling with a party, is putting reps cause they call my bluff. Got one shot to get all these dubs, and we on.
Beautiful. That's how we do it. Just 500 pips more and we'll be break even.
500 pips?
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Yeah, 450.
Yeah, 450. Oh man, that trouble is that Asian session. That's such a monster stop loss.
Man.
No, Asian session was like a 70 pip stop loss. Very small.
No, sorry, I'm talking New York yesterday.
Oh, okay.
You're welcome, Odigo. You owe me a pint whenever I decide to visit London. Oh, is every from the UK? What does a pint mean? I don't know. I'm lost.
Pint.
Well, pint.
I think it's beer.
Pint.
You know, like a pint of beer.
Oh. I don't know. That's not what we call it over here.
Yeah, it's an English thing. I'll take you for a pint. I'll take you for a beer.
Oh, okay.
A pint's like a measurement, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah. We use measurements in the UK. We don't guess.
You're welcome, Joe.
Yeah, we measure here in Romania in 2 liter pint.
2 liter pint?
Yeah. Like a glass of beer is 2 liter.
2 liter, a glass of beer? Man, that's too much, man. That's too much.
I'm hoping we actually break this low before we get any type of pullback. Hopefully this candle will be the candle to give us 1-to-1. So we won't have to worry about if the next candle is going to be a pullback or not. Let's talk more about the giveaway. First one is going to be on Friday.
Whoa, wait a minute. Where the hell is Edwin?
Edwin's not here?
No. Oh, man.
Oh, man.
I really hope he caught that. Oh, man.
Damn, he's not here.
That Indonesian son of a bitch. My little Indonesian brother. Oh, man. The one trade he misses out on.
Dear God.
Oh, how many likes on YouTube? Shit. Oh, no, I'll be surprised if we have 100. Yep. 97. I knew it. That's why I said I will be surprised if we got 100 likes.
So he wasn't here the whole time? We didn't see him earlier?
I don't even know. I don't even know if he was.
Think about it. I haven't seen him at all.
Shit. Shit. Oh. Must be because he lost the other trade, and then it's probably like he gets beaten down mentally. And then he's like, oh shit, you know.
Oh, thank you,
That has to be
Zodiv.
more leverage.
Maybe.
Trust me, I know. The only time I feel down is when I have a lot of leverage. Feel like you have your ass whooped. I'm just wondering if it's just going to continuation and break this lows down and go down to like 25, 70 area, 60 area.
I'm expecting it to come back to the lows. Pretty much this major low, 25.89 at least. The only issue is this just gonna keep dropping, or is it gonna pull back and then continue dropping?
Yeah, because the inflation numbers were in line, so it's higher inflation, but they were expecting it. So that's nothing out of the normal. That's why higher inflation made gold jump up a little bit, but you see how it's retracing down because is as expected. So I don't think it's gonna just stay steady here because we have a little higher inflation. It's like, you know.
Is inflation good or bad for gold?
Inflation's good. Sorry, bad. No, bad for gold.
Yeah,
inflation's
bad
good for the dollar. Inflation's very good for the dollar.
So if inflation is high, is pro dollar, gold dollar.
It took me forever to get my head around that because inflation for you and me sucks, but inflation for the currency is great.
Correct.
High interest rates, everything like that. You know, the real world get fucked up, but it attracts investors from everywhere, and that's what pumps up the currency.
Just think of it like this: the higher inflation, it means that the whatever the currency is going to be worth less. So you'll go to gold because it's going to hold its value. That's the idea. So when you have like high inflationary periods, people rush to gold because it's a safe haven asset. Sorry.
Yeah, and I think Wall made a really good point yesterday. Was it Wall that said that about they're no longer safe with Trump? You're taking money out of gold and putting it back into the yeah.
Well. Remember the whole thing with you could. Some people are arguing that they basically gold why it was rising so high was A, because China was buying a lot of gold, and two, investors were speculating of the regime change. If you stay with Biden or Kamala, we're going to continue to get high inflation, high war. Trump is against that. So that could be where you see the change and the relief in gold prices. So yeah, we still have, we're still dealing with inflation because of coming off of COVID, all the extra war stuff, right? But it's a little bit less inflationary considering, okay, who we have in office now and what the new monetary policies might be. But we don't know because obviously power might change or X, Y, Z. So but the fact that gold couldn't really break back up above, it feels like it's going to tank like another down to even those bigger support areas.
Yeah, I'm expecting it to get to at least 25 really now. Are we gonna break that? I don't know. But based on how bearish it is, I'll be expecting it to break.
But
Order filled.
There
Correct,
we
yeah,
go. Nice. Beautiful.
Booyah!
Good job,
there we go.
everyone.
That-
KO!
Nice. Man.
we were feeling it as a family the last couple of days.
Oh, man.
Oh, people are about to divorce their wives, putting down insurance
Whoa.
policies. People are going through it. You're
No, you
debating
should-
about Tyson more. Like you're like, yo, listen.
Let's get some W's in the chat, man. Shit, we deserve this 100 pips at least, man.
Yeah, nah, this was a good one.
Oh yeah, it was. Oh. You see how with this trade, structure freaking it triumphed over the bullish momentum because we're not breaking highs. Yeah, all we had was freaking lows. That's it. That's all good had. It wasn't creating that. It was missing that. It was missing one part, and that was to break highs. But the bearish side had everything. Broke lows, and steadily creating lower highs. So.
Also, we had the perfect zone to sell from because, hey, like idiots, we bought it here, got destroyed.
I know why we got
Well,
destroyed.
now we're gonna sell it from here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was our entry.
what I noticed with the entry when you have like this type of candle and we put entry exactly where the no top or bottom candle would be, we just make a pin and then we'll drop because if you're using this entry, will never be activated, and it happens.
No, it was because there was a supply there, and
Yeah, of course, but
we were still bearish.
I can't, look at the footprint chart anymore, but, like when you have no top wick, sometimes there's like a zero there, there's a gap, and then it'll just, perfectly fill it in,
Go the other way.
yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
it's nice to put 2 pips above or something. But I don't know in futures what you was.
Honestly, it was probably just the wrong trade because
Yeah,
It was the wrong trade for sure.
Yeah.
It was the wrong
We got
trade.
this nice move down. There was no like clean upward movement. It was just one move down, one move retracement.
Yeah, that was the
And here's the
mistake
thing.
we made.
A candle.
usually we buy low. Here it's not so low. We're buying to supply. and this was the previous weekly low.
Yeah, gold hasn't really made its move today too. It's only 170, so it could really drop. If it's gonna drop, it could drop like a whole another 150 from here.
Yeah, it could. Man, shit,
Because
all the way to this low is like what? Yeah, close to 200 pips.
Exactly, that's the back to the normal range compared to like we're getting 1,000, 700.
Yeah.
Like slow down, gold. Don't get me too excited.
Mhm.
Like Asia was like before pre-London, it was already moving 300. You're like, whoa, slow down.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for this 10 o'clock liquidity candle.
Look at it. Look at it.
Probably get a lot more.
Damn, look at it drop.
I hope Dorothy is in because she will hold this.
Oh, is Dorothy here?
I don't know.
Well,
I'm here.
Oh,
I got into
very
late,
good.
so
S&P might sell off.
You holding?
me,
You still
Yeah.
holding? Whoa.
a little bit. I didn't get in when you lot got in. I got in a bit late, but
Oh, okay.
yeah, I've got 20 pips already now.
Oh, just 20?
Oh, shit.
Damn. Talk about
No,
FOMO.
I've got more than 20. I'm just saying. I've got my 20 pips. Yeah.
Okay. We gotta make sure though. We get out of there.
Look after me, huh? Nice one, guys.
Yeah, but I think S&P, the equities might sell off today because the bull trap that they were going for the highs with the news, a little bit higher inflation, it might pull a retrace. We're seeing it now on NQ. That's gonna make gold tank if it's on the dollar side.
Oh, yeah.
And there's a little bit of
USD is starting to fall too. This line was the entry that I was gonna have for if we are taking USD. Damn, look, man, good. Wow. Sheesh. Man, I should have put a high CT on this trade.
Trump.
Then why didn't you remind me? Wow, so we could have had a TP all the way down here.
Oh, man.
I'm dying, yo. Every time we win a trade for the next 4 years, I'm yelling Trump.
Man, I'm telling you, shit. Wait until actually is in power. Man, whew, 2025 is about to be amazing.
Yeah, look at this thing drop, man. My goodness.
Yeah, it's the Trump effect.
You gotta love it.
Our gold's melting.
Oh, man, look at this thing drop. Damn. Sheesh, RIP to the buyers for sure.
I thought after TP we would see a pullback because that was already quite a stretch.
Yeah, I did too.
And look here, a lot of traders are not in because of this no top week.
Oh, there's no
A
top.
lot of traders they don't trade because
on futures this kind of has no topic, and Booker either.
Yep.
Wow, this thing is still. Wow.
King, sorry, can you just talk me through that?
Through what?
That two position strategy again. So sorry, can you just talk me through quickly that two position trade that you do? So you close one at 50%, they break even on the other.
That's what I did also for this account. You see, two positions.
Yes, got it.
This one closed at 50. This one closed at 100.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So if that's instant funding, you're going to pay out now? Just stop trading it.
Man, they'll be like, nope. First trade and you freaking want to get a payout? No, it ain't happening. All right, YouTube, I appreciate you all. God bless you all. All my links is in the description. Join the free Discord as well. Follow me on the gram. So, God bless you all. See you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Peace. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys during Asian session. Let's have a good one.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys.
Thanks, Abe.
Welcome,
God bless
guys.
you.
You too, man.
On my own, no fixer. I'm gon' ball, no picker. That I8 doors they live for. Talking on my back, go fix. on split up. Never was the one to go flick up. No face, no case, no pictures. Full place, big stakes, my dinner. Give it up. Flip that, Canal Street, flip back. Last week, old money, this week, new racks. Never buy 9 more. If I can't afford to gift wrap, stun in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tax. Heard you rollie as a lean, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket check. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib while you cop a chain. I know they hate it or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil times. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need love. I can't lock it, sweet love. Freeze time. Brainstorm, you can assume with your chains on. I can see none with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that it was game on. Been winning since I was on game 1. Telling me how to live like you made me. Going dumb and I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Got crazy in a new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, fit the kids in there. Prime steak on my dinner plate. Nike tag for the dinner wear. Flex up, never play it, dress up. Never gonna let up. Never, ever set up. Play on my fam, get wet up. Go, won't let up. Never, ever. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil times. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need love. I can't lock it, sweet love. Freeze time. I got it on me right now. Point at it. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. Say pull up. Whack. Say pull up. Whack. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, we get to it, got it stocked up. Popped up, got her hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got her hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Woo. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I been getting to it since a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tires squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.